Program number 5. Write code to create a series object using a string IP class. Assume that Pandas is imported as alias name PT. So one string has given, what the string has given? IP class. So first we have to import the module, import Pandas as PT. Now S5 equal to PD dot series within the quotation IP class. Now close the bracket, call to the print command, print S5. See, one string, so that's why I have written within the parenthesis only, single parenthesis. Now see the output. Generated 0 index IP class, because string is only one. If we have a different string, then we require as a list or tuple. Otherwise, in the single parenthesis also, in the series bracket, we can write it. If we have a single string, means one word, one character, then if we will use it in the list, then what the output will generate. Ctrl plus C, we will do Ctrl plus V, one more I required, Ctrl plus V. If I put here IP class 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now I am using here list bracket, inside of the list bracket. Now here I am using as a tuple. Tuple, when we have a one string, so that times what we are doing, put it as a comma, because if one string is there in the tuple bracket, then it will accept as a string data type only. If we put comma, then it will accept as a tuple. Now see 3. First one, in the series parenthesis I have written IP class 1, that's why 4. How we will understand the different outputs, so that's why I have written as a 1, 2 and 3. Now here IP class 2 in the list bracket and IP class 3 in the tuple bracket. Let's see the answer. See, 0 IP class, this is only parenthesis, 0 IP class 2, data type again object, both data type object, then 0 IP class 3 data type object. So this is list, this is tuple. Any differentiation? No. So whenever index value is 0, so then we can call directly, this is the correct method. If you have written like this also, so this is also not a wrong method. Clear?